You join me today with a very special car next to me. This is a 1962 Jaguar E-Type Series 1 3.8 OTS. And this car has just come into stock here at Hilton Moss and is available exclusively for Hilton Moss as part of a restoration contract. Now, as mentioned, this is a very special car. It's a great base for a restoration and incredibly rust-free, supplied to New York Jaguar, brand new in 1962. Now, walking around the car, you can see that the paintwork and bodywork is a little bit tatty, but very straight and very rust-free, as mentioned, which is most important. Now, it is currently finished in British Racing Green, which is not the car's original colour. The car's original colour is Opalescent Blue with a black leather interior. But the more you look at the car, the more you can see that Opalescent Blue coming through in the doors and around the soft top. Now, you look inside the car, you look around the car, and the car's covered in original features. The car's not been messed with, it's not been heavily restored, and everything's there. Now, most importantly, this car is a fully matching numbers example. We're talking engine, gearbox, body number, and chassis number. Now, everything's there, and being an early car, being 1962, it's also got a matching cylinder head. This is a perfect base for a restoration. It's a perfect collector's level car, concourse level car, but equally can be restored to exact standards, whether it's concourse or whether it's uprated with bigger brakes, with a fast road spec engine, etc., etc. So if you're interested in this car, it's available immediately. Do speak to our team, we're here to help.